Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Luke right here, and we're setting this jump, setting this like weird setup. It's like a step up and then step down. We're hitting on scooters, mini bike, and we're gonna try on a mountain bike. Yeah, I got a new bikey. All right, pause it. All right, I'm gonna get Sender. Let's see.
What do you think he's gonna hit on this jump? Is it gonna be good, bad, or terrible?
Terrible.
What did you rate that?
9 out of 5. 9.5.
Oh, not bad. That was a pretty good one.
On my bike? On the micro bike. Yeah. Let's do a train. Here, I'll go behind you.
Ooh! Ooh!
Eddie's coming down. He recently broke his arm. He did it.
Oh, we have now extended the gap jump. Luke's gonna hit it again. Let's see if he can send this one. Hopefully he doesn't crash. Not bad.
All right, we got Jackson right here. Get a helmet on, bro.
Kids, always remember to wear a helmet. Keeps you safe.
All right, he's hitting it like a good boy. He's getting
To the potty.
that would be. Oh, he's sending it. He better not.
Yes.
Yeah, you might have too much. God dang. I got. All right, let's see the injuries.
I got this.
Okay, that's not that bad at all.
Nothing on the other knee.
Dang, that was bad on the knees. Hands are kind of scraped
Hands are
up.
fine.
All right. Dang, that's kind of crazy.
Try not to drop 6 feet from a massive jump and then fall.
Oh yeah. All right.
Off my testicles like.
You need to know speed.
That's the correct way to bail.
Oh no, I have no speed. Oh!
Shut up, Mom! We've got a motorcycle coming up.
Thanks for watching. It was a peak day here. Hitting the setup right there. And yeah, like and subscribe for more mountain biking content. Peace. Peace.